This video is brought to you by Maths Art, the companion in your learning.
Now, our question number 2 is, use factor theorem to determine whether gx is a factor of px in each of the following cases. इसमें भी हम फैक्टर थ्योरम का यूज करेंगे और बताएंगे हमारा gx px का फैक्टर है या नहीं. तो our first part is px is equals to 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1, whereas our gx is equals to x plus 1. We will put our gx is equals to 0. The only step which we follow in these question. So x plus 1 is equals to 0. So we get our x is equals to minus 1. So p minus 1 is 2 into minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square minus 2 into minus 1 minus 1. So when we will solve, we get minus 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1. So 3 minus 3 is equals to 0. So we get our answer 0. Therefore, by factor theorem, gx is a factor of px. Second part, px is equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1, whereas our gx is equals to x plus 2. Put gx is equals to 0. This implies 2 plus x is equals to 0. We get our x equals to minus 2. So using factor theorem, px is equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1, and p minus 2 is equals to minus 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 2 square plus 3 into minus 2 plus 1. When we will solve further, we get minus 8 plus 3 into 4 plus minus 6 plus 1. By solving, in the end we get our answer minus 1. Since p minus 2 is equals to minus 1, therefore gx is not a factor of px. But अगर हमारा 0 आ जाता तो it would be a factor of px. Now our third part is px is equals to x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6, and our gx is equals to x minus 3. तो gx is equals to 0. तो हमारा आंसर क्या आया? x minus 3 is equals to 0. This implies x is equals to 3. We get our x 3. तो हम p3 की वैल्यू निकालेंगे. p3 is equals to 3 की पावर 3 minus 4 into 3 square plus 3 plus 6. So when we will solve further, we get 27 minus 36 plus 3 plus 6. So we get 27 minus 36 plus 9. And finally our answer is 0. So by factor theorem, gx is a factor of px. So there is not a major difference between remainder theorem and factor theorem. Only difference comes with our resultant answer. अगर 0 है तो that is factor, otherwise factor नहीं है. Now we will see some practice question of this exercise. So these are two practice questions related to factor theorem. First is px is equals to x cube minus 8, where our gx is x minus 2. And second one is px is equals to 2x cube plus 7x square minus 24x minus 45, and our gx is equals to x minus 3. आप इन दोनों क्वेश्चंस को ट्राई करोगे और देखोगे हमारा आंसर एंड में 0 आता है या नहीं. अगर 0 है then it is a factor of px, otherwise not.